If you have ever consumed cannabis trying to relax, trying to unwind at the end of a long day, but instead just kind of felt really disconnected from yourself or paranoid or just sort of numbed out and like not really here, that is a really normal experience for many of us because we are consuming cannabis in the wrong way. Most of us have been introduced to cannabis as a means to escape, as a social kind of party thing or something that you do right before doom scrolling or just kind of doing something to zone out completely. And what we tend to do is consume cannabis and then stimulate all of the senses that draw us further from our own bodies, from what we're experiencing in the present moment because it's too hard, too challenging, too tiring, whatever the case may be. And we just end up getting more into our minds, getting into our thoughts and ruminating and out of the body, which is the complete opposite of how cannabis can benefit us. Cannabis heightens the experience of whatever is already happening. So next time you consume cannabis, notice what your attention is landing on. Notice what occupies your mind, what occupies your active space, what you're choosing to do. And that will already steer you in a direction of using cannabis more mindfully instead of spacing out. And assuming that you are high right now, maybe you had an edible or you smoked a little bit before clicking on this video, let's do a brief practice of awareness that is really useful to use whenever you consume cannabis as a way to be more mindful of it. So maybe lay down or find a comfortable seat where your back is supported. And close down your eyes if you feel comfortable doing so. Just arriving and landing exactly where your body is. Relax your jaw, relax your shoulders. Take a nice big inhale through your nose. And then open the mouth to let it go. And just draw your awareness to your natural breath. You don't need to manipulate it in any way or shape it in any way. Just notice the rise and fall of the chest and belly as you breathe. Notice the cool air coming in through your nostrils as you inhale. And the warm air coming out of the nose as you exhale. And just by paying attention to the breath in this particular way, you may notice that it starts to slow down on its own. And in these first few breaths, it's already clear where cannabis can heighten our sense of awareness. Maybe you're noticing parts of the breath cycle that you've never noticed before in all your years of breathing. Draw this quality of awareness to your body. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin, without labeling anything as good or bad. It just is. Notice where your body makes contact with whatever is underneath you, supporting you. Notice the textures, the feel, your own weight. The external world continues to move around you, but you are fully grounded and present in your body. This is the quality of awareness that cannabis can open up. If the eyes are closed, maybe you gently open them, keeping the gaze nice and low. And the next time that you consume cannabis, let that be an invitation to stay with yourself rather than scattered in different tasks, in different thoughts, but just grounded and present, landing fully in your body and in the present moment, the only moment that exists. Check in with the quality of your breath and your state of mind, how you're feeling after this very brief practice. And if you're feeling a sense of calm or presence or just groundedness that you want to lean more into, this is essentially the foundation of what I teach inside the Portal, which is a yoga studio, but also combines cannabis ritual, such as what we've done today. And you can think of it as a way of returning to yourself and meeting yourself every single day in a way that feels steady and repeatable. Let me know how this practice supported you in the comments. I'd love to know, and I'll see you next time.